Welcome to lesson 25, Friday 18th of July 08. I want to continue to talk from the previous lesson where we were talking about the circle of fifths and fourths. Fifths clockwise, fourths anti-clockwise. We established its relationship to a major scale. Here, let's look over here, C. We look at that C. This is the first. If we look 1, 2, 3, 4, we want 4 and 5. Like circle of fifths and circle of fours. Look, there's 4 and 5. This is where it's significant. So if we put number 1 to C, the fifth position is the G and the fourth position is the F. If you play these chords, C, G and F, they sound good together. In addition to that, if you count 3 on, 1, 2, 3, an A minor chord would sound okay too. Okay, we'll continue on here. It is also known as the order of sharps and flats. I just want to talk about sharps really for now, and we may just talk about one flat, insignificant flat is this one. We got up to the A, so let's go A, B, C, D, E, with 5, sorry we're going clockwise, but A, B, C, D, E, give us an E. We can go to the A if we want and count 7 semitones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, takes us to the E. Let's go over to the E, down here, E to E, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, natural, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, natural. If we apply the tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone structure to it, we end up with F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. Let's have a look. E, tone, there's your first sharp, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So E is giving us F sharp, C sharp, G sharp and D sharp. Now that shouldn't surprise us because what we have here, E, we've just passed the A. Let's look. It's F, C, G, D. So it's got four sharps. If you know it's got 4, just count from the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's them 4 that are sharp in F, C, G, D. Say for 2, if that's got 2 sharps, it's F and C. So let's just go to this B here. I'm not going to do this one, this F. I'm going to do that F, this F natural. This starts with an F sharp scale, which we'll cover later on. In fact, the next lesson, or even a continuation of this lesson, we might start covering the chromatic scale and the ones in between the natural ones. I'll get to that in a minute. Let's just go with a B for now. Start there. E, F, G, A, B. All from E, 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We land on the B. Let's go over here to the B. B natural, alphabetically natural. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. That's in that octave. If we apply the tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone structure to it, start with a B. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we end up with F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and with the next additional A. So we've ended up with 5 sharps. Let's write it here, 5 sharps. You know the 5, starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to draw these green lines in because it's going to make a right mess. So if we now go and talk about this natural F. We've gone 4 backwards, C, D, E, F. Let's look down here at the natural F. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Don't get bogged down with this too much either. Because it could have, if we went from F sharp, we'd end up with a load of sharps with the tone, tone, semitone structure from here, look. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So a load of sharps, we don't want that. We'll go this way. We'll go from the natural F, because all the rest of them have been natural so far, So from the natural, let's start here, tone, tone, semitone. We've landed on this, you could say A sharp, but it's enharmonic, so we can actually call it a B flat as well. So tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So we just landed on that one. I've put it down here. We're calling it a B flat instead of an A sharp. So we can just say, with the scale of F, the B's are flattened, and coincidentally we write the B in the next one because that's going to be the next scale. But let's leave it at that. Let's rub this out. I want to talk about the chromatic scale. What is the chromatic scale? Can you remember that? If you've watched in previous lesson, in an earlier lesson, round about, I would say lesson 10 to 15, somewhere between 10 and 15, we talked about the 12 letter notes. I'll just show you, look. We said there was the 7 natural. I'll just draw out the 7 natural. I'll write it here, 7. So we've got A, B, C, D, E, F and G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But if we wanted to start including the black keys in between, we're talking about a chromatic scale. So I'm going to rub this out and we're going to draw in the chromatic scale. I use a red for the natural. See if I can squeeze them in. So we've got A. I'm going to write here that there's 12 scales. I'll write chromatic. Chromatic. I don't like the word scale. It's not a scale to me. A scale is when you've produced it from this formula. So anyway, A. We can say the next one is, I'll write it small, A sharp or B flat. A, chromatic one here, or enharmonic, A sharp or B flat. B. Now see, we've got no black one in between that B, so we haven't got a B sharp and we haven't got a C flat. So let's just go to the next natural one, which is C. And after the C, what have we got? We've got C sharp, this enharmonic black key here, shared between the C and the D. So we've got C sharp and a D flat. Don't forget these are just one enharmonic. Maybe C, go to the D. What have we got then? We've got a D sharp, or E flat. So get a ring around them as well. So D, let's go to the E. No black key in between, so we just go straight to the F, look. F, and what we got? We got F sharp. F sharp or what? G flat. That's this one, the enharmonic black one. Let's put a ring around it. We'll like squeeze them all in. E, F, G. Okay, I think we're just going to get them in. So we've got the G sharp or A flat. Let's write it here. G sharp or A flat. So what we've got there, we've got the 7 naturals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which is the white keys of the piano, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then we've got the enharmonic black keys, A sharp or B flat. Let's have a look. A sharp or B flat. Let's go to the C, and this enharmonic C sharp or D flat. And let's go to the D sharp or E flat. Let's go to the F sharp or G flat. This one, F sharp or G flat, and the last one,